Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper. Let's move on to question 12. We are given two concentric spheres of radii A and B, and the region between them is field of material rho is equal to A by R, and the center has a charge Q. We need the electric field between these two spheres to be constant. So since everything is spherically symmetric, we can make a Gaussian surface at say a distance r. What we'll get is E into 4 pi r square is equal to the total charge enclosed. So that will be Q and then plus, now we'll have to integrate integral of A by r times 4 pi r square dr. And this goes from A to r. This gives me E into 4 pi r squared is equal to Q plus, so this is 4 pi r dr or 4 pi r squared by 2 or 2 pi r squared. So 2 pi a times r squared minus a squared. And we can just take 4 pi r squared below. So what we'll get is E is equal to Q minus 2 pi a squared by 4 pi r squared plus 2 pi ar squared by 4 pi r squared, or a by 2. By the way, this should also be a factor of epsilon naught everywhere here. This is 1 by epsilon naught of this whole thing, right? Because E into 4 pi r squared, the total flux is Q by epsilon naught. So this is also this into 1 by epsilon naught. That doesn't make a difference to the answer, but just for the sake of it. Now this needs to be independent of r. So this term is independent of r, but this term is not. This term will be independent of r if Q is equal to 2 pi a squared, which would give me a is equal to Q by 2 pi a squared, which gives me the answer as option 1. This completes the solutions. Thank you.